Hello, everyone, and welcome to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Emma, and I'm so happy you are here with us today. If you are a beginner, don't worry. We will speak slowly, clearly, and with a friendly vibe. Today, we have a very special episode for you. It's all about your daily life, step by step, and we will make it fun, simple, and easy to understand.
Hi everyone, my name is Michael and thank you for joining us today. Today's episode is simple and practical. We will talk about morning routines, breakfast, work, and even evening habits. And of course, we will speak slowly so you can follow every word. Emma, I think our listeners are ready to start.
That's right, Michael. First, let's start with a question for our listeners. Are you a morning person, or do you like to sleep a little longer? It's okay if you are not a morning person. Today, we will show you a simple way to start your day with energy. So, stay with us and enjoy the episode. Remember, it's okay to repeat after us and practice speaking English slowly.
Yes, and don't worry if you don't understand everything at first. Just listen, repeat, and enjoy the learning. We will guide you step by step, word by word. By the end of the episode, you will be able to talk about your daily routine in English. So, let's start with the morning. Ready, Emma?
Absolutely. Get ready for a fun and easy journey through your day. And remember, slow is good, clear is good, friendly is the best. Let's begin our English adventure. Good morning, everyone. Let's talk about the morning routine. I usually wake up around 7 o'clock. First, I open my eyes slowly, then I look at the clock and think, okay, a new day is starting. Sometimes I stay in bed for a few extra minutes. That helps me feel ready.
I wake up a bit earlier, around 6:30. I don't jump out of bed. First, I stretch, then I think about the day ahead. My alarm clock is very loud, sometimes unfriendly. But I try to start the day with a smile.
After waking up, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. This helps me wake up and feel fresh. Sometimes I look in the mirror and make a funny face. Sometimes I love my morning routine.
Me too. Brushing teeth, washing face, and checking the mirror. The morning mirror is very honest. Sometimes I look sleepy or funny. But that's okay. We all have mornings like this.
After the bathroom, I go to the kitchen. Coffee is very important for me. I usually drink coffee and eat a light breakfast. Sometimes toast, sometimes fruit, like banana or apple. Simple food makes my morning better.
I also enjoy my morning breakfast. Sometimes cereal, sometimes tea. Simple but gives energy. After breakfast, I get dressed. I choose my clothes carefully, put on shoes and jacket, then I leave the house ready for the day.
After the morning routine, it's time for breakfast. I usually drink coffee and eat toast. Sometimes I have fruit like a banana or an apple. Its simple breakfast makes me feel awake and ready for the day. Do you like to eat breakfast, Michael?
Yes, breakfast is very important. I usually eat cereal and drink tea. Sometimes I make a sandwich or eggs if I have more time. It gives me energy for the morning work.
After breakfast, I get dressed. I choose my clothes for the day. Sometimes it's easy. Sometimes I take a few extra minutes to decide. Shoes, jacket, and I'm ready to leave the house.
Same here. Choosing clothes is an art. After dressing, I pack my bag if I need to go to work. Sometimes I check my phone quickly before leaving. Then I step outside and start the day.
Before leaving, I sometimes check the weather. If it's rainy, I take an umbrella. If it's sunny, sunglasses are a must. Small things, but they make the day better.
And then we start our workday. But first, the short walk to the bus or car is refreshing. I enjoy the morning air. Even if it's cold, a deep breath makes me feel alive.
After arriving at work, the day begins. I sit at my desk, turn on my computer, and start my tasks. Sometimes I answer emails, sometimes I write documents. It can be busy, but I enjoy learning new things every day.
My work is similar. I answer emails, write reports, and attend meetings. Some meetings are short, some are long, but I try to stay focused and productive.
Around midday, it's time for lunch. Lunch is the meal in the middle of the day. Sometimes I bring lunch from home, sometimes I go out to eat with friends. It's a good time to relax for a little while.
Yes, lunch is important. After lunch, I continue my work. I finish tasks, check emails again, and sometimes attend afternoon meetings. Time passes quickly when you're busy.
During the day, I try to take small breaks. A short walk, a cup of tea, or just stretching. It helps me feel better and stay focused until the end of the workday.
By the afternoon, I start thinking about going home, but there is still work to finish. When the day ends, going home feels amazing.
After work, the evening begins. I like to relax a little. Sometimes I watch TV, read a book, or talk to my family. It's a nice way to feel calm after a busy day. Then I start preparing dinner. Cooking can be fun, but washing dishes, not my favorite job.
I enjoy evenings too. I often listen to music or go for a short walk. It helps me relax and enjoy the fresh air. Before bed, I brush my teeth again and get ready to sleep.
Sometimes I also plan the next day in the evening. Writing a small list of tasks helps me feel ready and organized. Then I slowly get ready for bed and relax with a good book. Sleep is very important.
Yes, a good night routine makes the next day better. I enjoy a quiet evening with soft music before sleeping. It helps me feel calm and happy before bed.
Evening routines are simple but very helpful. Relax, enjoy a hobby, and prepare for a good night's sleep. And remember, small steps make your day better. Now it's nighttime. I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and put on my pajamas. Small steps, but they help me feel comfortable and ready to sleep. Before sleeping, I think about my day. What went well? What can I do better tomorrow?
Reflection is important. I also think about my day before sleeping. I remember good moments and plan small improvements for tomorrow. This helps me feel calm and happy before going to sleep.
Sometimes I write a few notes in my diary. Writing about the day makes me feel relaxed and grateful. Then I turn off the lights and slowly fall asleep. Good sleep helps me feel better the next day.
Nighttime is peaceful. Relaxation, reflection, and a calm mind. That's how we recharge for a new day.
Thank you for listening to our podcast today. We talked about our daily routines from morning to night. Now it's your turn to practice English. Try to talk about your own day using simple sentences. Remember, slow and clear is perfect.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. In the next episode, we will talk about free time and hobbies. It will be fun and easy to understand, just like today. Thank you for listening, and see you next time. Bye.